You have probably met that person who wakes up at 6 a.m. with a giant smile, ready to chat, while you are standing there fully awake but radiating pure, unadulterated do not speak to me energy. Most of us assume that being a morning person is just about sleep timing, but there is actually a fascinating hidden layer to this. It turns out that when you wake up and how you feel emotionally when you wake up are controlled by two different biological gears. We usually talk about chronotypes in terms of alertness. Are you a night owl or an early bird? But there is a separate rhythm for your mood that fluctuates across the day. This explains why you can be a biological early riser who is perfectly functional, but still genuinely unfriendly until your second cup of coffee. It is not just about being tired, it is about how your brain chemistry transitionally handles the start of the day. This happens because of a complex dance between your hormones and your genes. In the first hour after you wake up, your body experienced something called the cortisol awakening response. While cortisol helps gear you up for the day, the intensity of this spike varies from person to person. At the same time, neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which regulate your happiness and motivation, follow their own internal clock. Specific circadian clock genes like PR2 and clock actually govern both your sleep cycle and your emotional reactivity. If your genetic variations lean toward a slower morning mood ramp-up, you will feel irritable or cold regardless of how many hours of sleep you got. It is a biological mismatch. You are conscious, but your emotional engine hasn't started yet. Understanding this can be a total game changer for your relationships and your productivity. It's not a personality flaw or a sign of being lazy. It is literally written into your DNA. If you want to see where you land on this spectrum, a DNA report can actually show you the variance shaping your daily rhythm.